I'm here in Bureau of Immigration. This guy having a birthday, so happy birthday, bro. Happy birthday. Yes, happy birthday. I wish him all the best and stay blessed and healthy, bro. All right. Yalla. Right now I am here in Robinson and somewhere in Karashaw and between Dagupan. Actually this is the first ever my long distance journey on my dry bike. So actually I was just visiting Urdaneta, some of my personal work, official work you can say, and for NBI. Right now I'm going towards Dagupan direction, and just I have small overstay here just for my small rest, have a break, and then I will continue maybe like 20 to 25 minutes more. I have ride on this my tri bike. So it was a quite sunny day, but it's a bit little hot, but warm and hot, but it's still okay, manageable. And that's it. This is a small my introduction and Dagupan, so I will share you the down location. So it's very easy in the Dagupan city, and just I enter over there, so they have online here NBI, they do your application over here. So there are a few guys over here. Who's the person? You are Miss? Hello madam, Namaste. What's your good name?
My name is Isang.
Isang. So Madam Isang, you will find her here. She is the generous lady, the most maganda, right?
What is your citizen?
Sorry?
Citizen.
Citizen, I'm from Pakistan.
Pakistan.
Yes. What's next procedure? I will go right away inside only, right?
Yes.
So how much time it will take inside?
10 minutes.
10 minutes? Wow. So this is the procedure. So I will guide you step by step. So actually once again, this is a very beautiful family over here. The whole family, the mother, daughter, son, daughter, brother,
And
cousin. Where is your husband?
yeah.
Don't tell me his face. That is in the deep. He is looking for the ice cream. So nice meeting this family. So I will mention again. They are in online NBI. Okay, passport. So they will do this one. So nice meeting you all, everybody. God bless you, all of them. So bro, you was in USA? Where? Washington?
No. I'm married.
New Jersey? He's shy to tell me. And Japanese. I'm sorry, I don't know Japanese. No comments. And the cousin, Iraqi? No comments. Okay, they feel shy to come on the camera, so there is security reasons. So anyway, nice meeting you guys. You would like to say, mother, anything, any comment? Because I'm gonna put this one on my vlog, so you can watch.
Okay, I like your vlog.
Thank you, madam, so much.
Subscribe to the channel.
Yes.
Right.
All right. So I am here right now, just waiting inside NBI office. What you call this? So finally, I had applied it for the NBI, and normal procedure is it will take like 20 days. So I had requested temporary certification, so they had issued me as well. But the actual one, there's a procedure, it will gonna take like 20 days. So anyway, thank you so much for these people, and at least something is done.
Niya.